This is the third lesson. It's just we talk about using expression and assignment statements. We have some objectives just to know how to use the arithmetic expression on our program. Type of errors. Compound expression means how to make many expressions with each other. Evaluate what is stored in a variable. It means when you just assign a value to this variable, so using equal we can just initialize or even change the value stored in this variable. Let me show you something also very important, because sometimes you can just see the difference between number and the number between quotations. Number between quotations means this is not a number, it's like string. That's why they name it string literal. So literal means the value of it. So literal is source code representative of a fixed value, which is the value exactly. But string literal means the value which is the computer will deal with it as a string, even if it's number. Let me show you exactly how this is working. First of all, this is lesson number 3. I just make a new class as well. New class, name it this lesson 3. Okay, let's use this one. So expression, this is a comment which we'll talk about using variables. Step number 1 is just make the public method, public static void main. This is the main method, string in this main method, let me just add this one just to be easy for you to understand. Imagine I said system dot out, system dot out, the print what? Print 5 plus 7. I say here system dot out dot println 5 plus 7, and see the difference. In the first case will just dealing with these numbers as string literal. So the result will be 57, not only 57, but they will make concatenate between these two strings. So 5 and then they print 7 beside 5. There's no calculation, but the second one is calculation, and the result will be 12. Let me show what's wrong here. Yeah, exactly. So this will show you exactly how computer is working, how to be compiled as well. Let me go back again to this one. Yeah, I'm sure you understand this one. We have for arithmetic operation, we have main operation like plus, minus, multiply, divide. This is modules. A modules is here we have, if you just module 8, module 4 means 0, means there is the rest of division. So let me show you this one as well. Here when we just use the main method, but I want just use this should be using integer. Only in variables, I just use integer. So look at this one. If I just come to, I said int var1 is equal 9. And then I say system.out.println var1 divided by 2. And now it should be what? If I just make a variable 1 and divide by 2, it should be 4.5. But computer will not work like this, because you just make reserve in the memory only integer. So whatever the result, it will be integer only. So if I run it, oh, it's 4, not 4.5. Why? Because you declare this as integer. So integer will not take decimal numbers. So that's why it's only 4, not 4.5. Let me go back again. So as you can see now in this example, say int var is equal 3, and then print var divided by 2. So it should be 1.5, but really the result will be only 1 because this is integer. If you go to the second one, if I make it double, just only I'll change this to be double. What will happen? Instead of int, so double will give me the decimal places, so it will be 4.5. Easy now? Okay. We can just even mix between int and double. we put int and double. In this case, the result will be the same as well. Let me show you this one. I said int variable 1 is 9. I say int variable 2 is equal maybe 4. Now var1 divided by 4 by var2 means 9 over 4 should be 225. So exactly if you mix between them, it will still decimal. The last step, which is very easy as well, using the expression, some people just it's like mixed. If you put x here 5 multiplied by 3 minus 14 module 3 8 divided by 2. So how it's working? If you look at this one, the first step, which is parentheses, the parentheses will make the order for them. Which one should work first? Which one should work first? Then after parentheses, we should take multiply, then divide, then module, then plus, then equal again. Type. Now let me show you this one. I'll take it and I'll add it here as well. Now if I just let me make it declare it int x. Okay. System dot out dot println x. Yes. Println x. Okay. Now look. If I just want to show you how it's working, first they make multiply. So 5 multiplied by 3 is just 15. So I click over here, 15. Minus 14 multiplied by 3, which is 3, and the rest of divide is 2. So it should be 2. Sorry. This should 2. 8 divided by 2, which is what? 4. So plus 4. It means the next step they're going to make 15 plus 4, which is 19. Let me show you as an example as well. Here, which is 19 minus 2. The result will be what? 17. Okay, so if I run it, show you the result. Result is 17, as you can see now. But again, it's very, very important to understand. Once you cannot make it, you can just use parentheses to exactly tell the computer which one you want to start first. Let me show you something also very important over here. In this case, imagine I just want to do it like this. I said, can you make it 3 minus 2 first? Oh, what will happen right now? That's something very, very important, because first step of this module will be 2 plus 8, which is what? Here 2 plus 8, which is 10. 3 minus 10. 3 minus 10, which is minus 7. And then by the end 5, you understand it. So I just will show you, in this case, the example will be 5, exactly, yes. 5 multiply, here 3 minus 2, which will be what? 3 minus 2 plus 8. So 3 minus 2, which is 1, plus 8, which is 9. So 5 multiplied by 9, divided by 2. Oh, so the first case will be 49. Will be 49. So for 1, 49. This here. 49. What? Divide by 2. The result will be what? 24.5. But this is integer. 24.5. But this is integer, so 0.5 will not be printed, so the result will be 24. Let me show you this. Oh, you forgot to print x? No, I print x as well. Okay. Oh, that's 22. Why is 22? Because 48.5 multiplied by 9 is 45, sorry, 45, yeah. 45, which is 22. 22 multiplied by 9, which is 22 as well. I'm sure you understand how it's working, because it's integral, so take 22 as well. Easy now. Let me go to this practical example to make everything easy as well. First, I create a class named as lesson 3. I do it, this lesson 3. Let me delete everything inside it except the main method. Just to explain it. Okay, this is the main method as well. Delete this one, delete this one. Okay, coming to the main method. Here, inside the main method, declare 4 variables. Item price, so I said int item price, and the second variable, which is item discount, this will not be correct. Why? Because it's point, so I have to make it what? Double. Yes, double item price. The third one, number of items, which will be 7. Number of items can be int number of items. And the last step, which is total price. Total price is equal what? Is equal item price minus item discount. This, after it, you just multiply with what? Number of items. Number of items. Now we are ready. So this number of items is correct. Number of items. Items. Yeah, I made it here capital and that's small. So you can just make it I capital. So that's correct. Item discount. Yes, discount as well. NT discount. Type total price. You forgot to make, just tell the computer the type of this variable, so I'll make it double total price. Sorry, double total price. Now it's ready. I'm ready to just to print it. System.out.println system.out.println what total price is, and then go outside and put plus total price. I finished right now. It's so easy. Just run it. Oh, total price is what? 145 dot or 0.25. I hope you enjoy using the variables and you understand exactly how to use compound or complex expressions each other.